of duty. This was July 2024.
How about the PD, Secretary, Madam Chair?
Yung PD rito.
Because the regional director is aware that even the Sangguniang Panlalawigan investigated this and the PD was insisting that it should be the LGU, gobyerno, ang maghahanap
Okay.
ng court order na wala namang kaso. Is it not, Secretary?
We will, I will,
Okay, kindly take note,
I will,
Secretary, of all.
yes, I would look into it.
Okay, so
Congresswoman.
thank you
So,
very much,
Madam Chair,
Honorable
just
Janet
for-
Garin.
Madam Chair, just for clarification, my question is this. Kung merong government property, pinasok, walang nag-file ng kaso, ibig ba sabihin, ibibigay ng kusa ng PNP yung property na yon o hindi? It's yes or no, Madam Chair?
Kung
Okay,
Miss
answer,
Madam
please.
Chair, kung walang kaso is government, dapat tayuan ng pulis ito. Hindi
Thank you
pwede.
very much,
Okay.
Secretary.